Welcome back to my channel. Today I am in the car and I ate in the car. That's cool. And also you can see a mouse. You can see the houses everywhere. Look. Does look beautiful. Does it look beautiful? And also there's a car right there. The car, and also there's I feel like there's a camera, but it's a hopper thing right there. And also look at the back. Oh my god, the back looks so crazy. There's J-shoes right there. And also it looks beautiful. It does look beautiful. And also I'm wearing a different mask because the other mask, and it was so tight. That's why I had to use, that's why I need to use this mask. And also it got wet. But we dry it. And also I sneezed and it's wet everywhere, but this thing won't get wet because it's right far away right here. That's why it's like this, and I can't lick it. And also I licked it sometimes, but somehow it got licked by itself. I don't know how. These beautiful neighborhoods. Do you see it? This is a neighborhood. Wait, it's 9-8. Well, that's for sale. It's right there. I know you can't see it from here. And I like that door right here. It says that. And it does look beautiful when I'm in the car. And also I'm holding the camera. But I don't have a talker or anything. So, yeah. So, it does look beautiful outside. You see it? Look at the air. The air is a little glassy. Everything. Also, so thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye guys.